So, do you guys know there are 7 types of AI? No, right? This is cool. So, I just thought it would be really helpful if we understand where things are coming from and where they're going. So, AI is not new. We've actually been using AI for years. Anyone who's trained Google's image spotting software knows that we've been training the AI ourselves for years. So this is what we would refer to as narrow AI. That's the first of the AIs that exist. The one that we're in the surge of now as businesses is artificial general intelligence, or generative AI. And this is what ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, these are the tools that we're coming up and we're working on today, and we're going to talk more about that. Then you have artificial superintelligence, which is AI able to surpass the knowledge and capabilities of humans. Now, I know this is the one that starts to scare everyone, but you also have reactive machine AI, and I wanted to bring this up not only because it's part of the 7, but it's also one of the reasons why Netflix is the leader in streaming services, because they bought in early and they have been sharing their knowledge about how they've been training their AI since they launched. So just so you can understand, we've been actually a part of this for such a long time. And then, hang on. Okay, there it is. Limited memory AI. Anyone have a Tesla? This is what you're using in your Tesla. So it is remembering things based on the sensors, but it does not store that information. And then, of course, we have the last 2, which is theory of mind AI, and then self-aware AI. And the reason I think it's important we understand the 7 types that exist is because, as you can see right now, we're all involved in what's happening with generative AI, but the other companies that are out there have already invested in some of these other technologies, and they're continuing to grow this.